In this video, I'd like to give you a strategy to remember the ordered pairs on the unit circle that lie in the first quadrant. Starting down here along the x-axis, let's label our radian measures for the angles that we hit on our way to 90 degrees. So we begin here on the x-axis. This is 0 degrees, or 0 radians. And then the first special angle that we hit is going to be 30 degrees, which is pi by 6 radians. And then we hit 45 degrees, which is pi by 4 radians. And then 60 degrees, which is pi by 3 radians. And then finally 90 degrees, which is pi by 2 radians. The next step in our little trick is to consider our ordered pairs having denominators of 2. So you'll notice each ordered pair here I've put with a denominator of 2, and I've left the numerator blank for now. Beginning over here with this ordered pair, we're going to put a square root in each of the numerators. So we begin with square root of 0, then square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, and square root of 4. And then we follow this pattern in the reverse direction, moving over, starting with square root of 0, square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, and square root of 4. Now you might be looking at these ordered pairs going, well, these really aren't the ordered pairs that are given on the unit circle, but they actually are if you simplify them. For example, this point up here, when simplified, is going to give us 0. The square root of 4 is 2, so here we'll get 2 over 2, and that's going to simplify to 1. So this point up here actually simplifies to 0, 1. This point here is going to simplify to 1/2 root 3 over 2. This point here doesn't simplify. This point simplifies to root 3 over 2, 1/2. And then our final point down here will simplify to 1, 0. So there you go, a little trick that you can use to help you remember these ordered pairs on the unit circle for the various degrees in quadrant 1.